DirectFix.com presents
the HTC One S Screen Replacement Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
To begin, we're going to pull off the back cover. This can easily be done with your finger. And now, using a case opener tool, we're going to pry this bottom back cover off. Now, with the T5 Torx driver, remove 2 screws at the top. And now, with a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws at the bottom. Carefully run a case opener tool along the edge of the phone between the silver back cover and the black bezel of the screen. Do this on both sides, separating the back case from the rest of the phone. Now, with a Phillips screwdriver, remove these 3 screws, allowing you to remove the blue plastic shield. Using your case opener tool, carefully lift up the battery and disconnect from the motherboard. Disconnect the antenna cable. Disconnect this ribbon connector at the bottom of the motherboard. Remove this Phillips screw from the bottom left corner of the motherboard. You can now lift the motherboard up. You can now disconnect these 3 connectors for the buttons, LCD, and touch panel, and then pull all the ribbons out, allowing you to fully remove the motherboard. Run a case opener tool along the edge of the screen, separating the screen from its frame. The adhesive holding the screen isn't very strong, but if you're having difficulty, try using a heat gun or blow dryer to loosen the adhesive. Please be sure to check our website, directfix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.